So I wanted to take a video real quick of me taking apart this old iPhone. And the reason I wanted to do that was it's literally being held together by the case. And I wanted to videotape it being held together by the case. I just recently upgraded my phone, and that's the phone that you're currently videotaping. And so I'm kind of recycling things in. And so my old phone is now going to be what this phone was. So, as you can see, that is the phone. That bulge is inside of the phone. So we're going to try and slowly open it up off this case and see how much it's actually damaged. Hopefully it doesn't explode on me. Oh wow. That's crazy. Look at that. So this is my original iPhone 5 that I've had for years and years and years. And I think it's the battery just decided to give up and expand. Probably was not safe. Let's pull this out of the case. But yeah, that's what the phone looks like, and it's all being held together by an outer box. So I'm not going to be using this anymore. So let's go ahead and just take it apart real quick, see what it looks like. Don't want that to be on. That's crazy. I had powered the thing off and it decided to turn itself on. I don't know, maybe I did that. Yeah, this thing was basically not even holding a charge anymore. I had it and it was basically zero. Alright, I'm going to power it back down. Touchscreen still works. A lot of the components still work. But the battery, let's try and pull this. Yeah, batteries are not supposed to do that. I'll pull this. And as I'm just going to be throwing this thing away, there's nothing really. The only thing we had on this phone itself was basically sleep music and a rain machine noise. And yeah, that's why it was bulging. The battery is gone. It's a toast. That's crazy. Anyways, I know this isn't like any of the videos we normally do, but this was something that I just recently switched and I kind of wanted to show it to you. So anyways, thanks for watching.